thawed out this bag of hooves. It's a doe that I shot. I just one-lunged her this year. Ruby actually found this deer this year. She went probably about 200 yards, no blood whatsoever to be found. And she did really well on it. We haven't really practiced much over the winter or the spring yet. Just been busy with taxidermy, so this is when I start to ramp things up. I got a little blood in this little squirter bottle, and instead of thawing out a hide, I just got a tan piece of hide. I'll lay at the end so she knows that she found something. I'll probably squirt some blood on that. Gonna load this stuff up and head down the road. This grown-up area, CRP, whatever you want to call it. I plan on making a couple right turns, maybe crossing a creek down here. Probably leave this lay overnight and come back to it about, I don't know, noon tomorrow, after I get done turkey hunting. Don't want to make it too easy, but I also haven't really trained with her for a little while, so I don't want to make it too hard either. We'll see how it goes. Usually mark my start with something like that. Blood. Typically when it gets closer to the season, I'll lay them a lot longer. We were practicing over 24 hours pretty regularly by the time September rolled around last year. Our best track last fall, we found a deer at 46 hours, and we were very happy with that. Start walking. Try not to break my ankles on these things. This area is loaded with deer. This is actually a nice little trail right here. So it's some added distraction for every now and then I'll drop a little bit of blood. I don't like to use too much. Just because a lot of tracks we go on, there's hardly any blood at all. That's why they call us. There's fresh deer tracks right in my trail right here. So we'll see if she gets distracted by new tracks, because I'm sure they'll be out here again while I'm gone. Or she can focus on the task at hand, which is the deer that is dying or dead. This grass is pretty wet, tall, it'll hold scent pretty well. The wind right now is out of the west, which is that way. We'll see if it shifts overnight or if we'll have any wind at all tomorrow. So that's my last little blood before I'm going to make my way up here. Don't really like to put blood right on the wind's out of the west tomorrow, she may cut off this 90 completely. You can see back up there is where my cart is. I just walked down this field edge. I'm gonna walk straight towards this timber now, and a lot of times if I make a 90, the wind's in her face, she doesn't even care to keep the line. She just kind of misses the corner altogether. If it's an opposite direction wind, she may be all the way over on that little timber strip, because she likes to be downwind, which is good and bad. I just have to be, here's a couple beds right here, so we're walking right, and a lot of fresh deer sign. I'd like her to be more line disciplined, but it's all about how you read your dog. And I don't know, the older she gets, the easier it is for me to read her. She's slowing down a lot. She's showing me telltale signs of, good tracking versus crittering. So we'll find out how she does on this one. There's one of my tree stands there. I think I'm gonna go straight in here. You know what I forgot? And I always do this almost every time I lay a track or start a reel track. I forget to record my track. So this last 100 or so yards that I'm going to record. I screwed up. There it goes. All right. Ooh, the creek is pretty deep. Might be able to find a spot to get through and not get too wet. Oh boy. Oh, got my feet wet. Alright, go straight up this hill. And I think we'll end it right here. tomorrow and see how she runs it. Forgot to mention as I walk back, take these tracking shoes off. Try to find a different route out away from the track. I'm not super far from the track, unfortunately, because there's kind of only one way out here. But I'll probably be able to tell if she's on my track tomorrow or the actual line I laid. Right, it's about 16 and a half hours later. And we're here with Ruby. She's excited. Hasn't tracked for a few months. Poor dog. We've been getting plenty of exercise, but Dad's been too busy. One thing this track has kind of reminded me is it's not that hard to just go weigh one. I'm getting a little big. I need to loosen these up. There we go. Good girl. Stay. All right. Good girl. Can you sit? Ruby? Can you sit? No? I am going to turn on my tracker this time. Okay. Come on. So the fake deer was shot right here on this corner. If I can find my little tag. Come here. Hang on. Here we go. All right. Search. 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 Let's find it. Slow up. Slow up. she's off the line a bit, but there she's getting back on. She may just cut off this 90 off the line a bit. She's still tracking now. Slow up. Just see what she does here. She's getting back up to that one. Ruby, come here. Is that it? Heel. Come on. Let's find it. She started to pick up her pace, so I reset her here. Now she's on it. I went right through here. Picking up her pace again. Ruby, heel. Is that it? There she is. Leave it. Hey, leave it. Dead deer in there. as I said yesterday, she's not that great at line discipline. But she's figuring it out. Careful. There's the tail wag. Hides right here. Ruby, come here. She did it. Hey, come here. Look. Good girl. Good girl. You did it. Good girl. Good girl. Look. Good girl. Good girl. Way to go, Ruby. Way to go. Good girl. Good girl. Way to go, Ruby. Good girl. Good girl. Way to go. Hey. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, her speed and line discipline is the biggest thing. She cut that 90 right off, which I was kind of expecting. Good girl. Good girl. Way to go, Ruby. Good girl. Good girl. But when it came to the creek crossing, she was just looking for an easier spot to cross, which was nice for me, wasn't it? Good girl. Good girl.